Good morning. The angle is like this because it is so bright outside. It's like, well, it just looks really nice, but it's really bright on my eyes. Whew, it's like I'm having a hard time seeing. We are heading to church right now. And then we have lots of errands to run today. Thankfully, yesterday while I was with Natalie at the wedding venue, Andrew went and pretty much polished off the rest of our Christmas list. So now we just have actual like condo errands. We got to go to IKEA, we got to go to Lowe's, and then we have to just set up for some construction that's happening like tomorrow and things like that. And then tonight, my cousins are coming over and we're having a Christmas wrapping pizza party moving watching extravaganza in the basement where we're staying. So today should be a really fun day. Oh, the sun. But first, heading to church, and then we will get going on all of, I think they're fun, errands. What a beautiful day. I've had like roast beef and mashed potatoes like 2 days in a row, so having Swedish meatballs and mashed potatoes do not sound good. This is really delicious. Everyone's looking at me with the camera. What drink did you get?
Lemon.
Interesting. Trying couches. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this one.
Our thing's gonna be undermounted.
Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah.
And then it's just gonna, okay.
So we need a...
I get it now.
Yeah.
Okay. The black thing makes sense.
Getting lots of inspiration for our place. Oh, they have a black faucet. We need to get a black faucet today. And basically, it's kind of like really hard to find. Oh, I don't know if I like those. Yeah, I'm not really into those. Never mind. You see any that you like? Yeah. Bummer. I could live in these like tiny spaces.
Huh?
Could you live in these tiny spaces?
By myself.
By yourself? You don't want to live with me anymore?
No, I meant like in a tiny space like this. I don't think it's enough for 2 people.
Well, this one's pretty big. Well, yeah. The kitchen's really big for being such a small space. It's cute and cozy. Okay, now we're at Lowe's. We're gonna try and find, well, we have a little bit of a list of things to get, but number one is the kitchen faucet. Have to get that either today, tomorrow, by the latest. Like, no options. So cute. Christmas is almost over. 20% off. Oh, Moen. We have a winner. I like it. Puts your looks there, and it's that way right there. We're back at my parents'. We went to the condo, dropped off stuff, taped up the entryway to the kitchen, and now we're here. We're actually going to have the party pizza movie wrapping cousin extravaganza in a little bit, but I think before that I'm gonna get a head start on editing, and then gonna go pick up my cousins, and then we will be wrapping all of the wonderful presents. I'm really excited. It says there's no network connection.
Yeah, it's saying like watch, and like I'm sure restart, but it's because the internet here is so bad.
Yeah. You want me to get off the internet?
Let me just, yeah, just to see. Yeah, I'll go off the internet as well.